MIKEGTV. I'm about to go up in this Portuguese festival. I don't know the name of it, but it's across over there. Get me something to eat real quick and see what they got. It just started. I came by here early and the guy told me it opens at 6 o'clock. It's like 6:12 right now, so of course, again, there's not going to be a lot of people here. There is a lot of people here for it being early, but I'm coming here to get food, and that's about it. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this. That's about it. Let's see what they got.
Last night was already a mess.
Atenção, se alguém parqueia atrás do clube, façam favor de mudar o seu carro imediatamente, senão os vão tirar fora. Não se pode parcar atrás do clube, ok? Nos apartamentos. Whoever's parked in the apartment complex, please move your car immediately or else it's going to get towed. Thank you.
I gotta go back. You heard me? He said I'm gonna need. I gotta go back. I gotta go back.
Once again, anybody that's parked in the apartment complex behind the club, please remove your car immediately before it gets towed. Thank you.
Stay right here. I guess you gotta get online.
He has no idea when I was younger, bro. I used to do all the fucking yeah, I used to buy in the morning.
Let me get, I don't know how to say the first one.
Zola?
Yeah, let me get one of those and let me get a Bufano too.
Okay.
Yeah, he's getting his stuff. You want something to drink?
Yeah. Wait.
I don't know if they got root beer.
Yeah?
12, 16.
Is that it?
Yep. Oh, let me get, you have root beer?
I do not.
You got Sprite?
Yes.
Let me get a Sprite and a Coke, please.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. Any bag or anything?
Nah. Okay. 200 said that. About to tear these sandwiches up. I'm hungry. I came here earlier, probably like 2 hours ago, and the guy told me that they don't open till 6. So see what these sandwiches are looking like. Look good to me. Time to eat. All right, I killed that sandwich. I kept this one, the Bufana. I'm gonna go get another one. That sandwich was really good. And then I'm gonna head up out of here. Let me get another one of the first one.
Casilla?
Yeah. Yeah, where's it go? Thanks, sir. Hey, you got a bag, you said?
Yeah, you all set?
Yeah, he's outside. He's with me. Thanks.
No problem.
That sandwich was great, right?
Hell yeah.
Thanks. Yeah.
Like how I swear.
That's about it. I know we're early, but I've been out all day. It's time to go in the house. MIKEGTV.